All right, what's up, guys? Now, I don't know what it is, but I have an eye for this shit. Like, I guess I know boats good enough. I'm coming in from gog fishing. I got Alfred with me. All right, now let me show this. There it goes. It sank. See, I was telling you guys about this on the way out. Yep, she went down. Today. Just from today. See, I told you.
That wasn't from the storm?
No, that was from today. That went down today. I got video of that thing going down earlier, and I said something doesn't look right. I told you guys, whatever.